Okay guys, so today we're gonna learn about how to find the inverse of 3 times 3 matrix. So the inverse of 3 times 3 matrix is different with the matrix 2 by 2. But I want to give you the idea about finding the inverse of 2 by 2 first. So this is the basic. 2 times 2 for the first idea. So you may write it down or you may just focus on looking at the explanation. If I have matrix A, B, C, D, the basic understanding of finding the inverse is first you need to find the determinant. So the determinant of the matrix is AD subtract BC. That's the way. And second, you need to find the adjoint. So the adjoint of matrix has some steps that need to be done. First, you are finding the minor. So what is the minor matrix? Minor matrix is when you close one element, you need to find the other. For example, element 1, 1. Here, you cross row 1, column 1. What is left is D. Okay, so write down D here. Element 2, row 1, column 2. So actually it has to be here. Row 1, column 2. What is left is C. Write down C. Yeah. Then row 2, column 1. B, BC, BA, that's right. And then row 2, column 2, A. After you find the minor, you are finding the cofactor. So cofactor, as simple as this. The minor has to be put the sign, like a chessboard, which start from positive, and then negative, and then bottom cannot be positive, it has to be different, negative and positive. It's like a chessboard, as simple as that. And then you put another the minor D, C, B, A, and last part you are finding the adjoint. So third step, the last step, you are finding the adjoint. What is adjoint? The cofactor that is transposed. So again, start from minor to cofactor, you put the sign. From cofactor to adjoint, you put the transpose. So what is transpose? You change the column with the row, like using your hand, and then do like this, like pi q, what I usually use. D, negative C, negative B, and A. So after we got the determinant and adjoint, we can find the inverse of matrix. For let's say this is matrix A. Okay, I forgot to put the name. Sorry. I need to put the name here. This is for 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say this is A. So to find the inverse of matrix A, it has to be 1 over the determinant of A. You multiply by the adjoint of A. So the formula will be like this. 1 over the determinant, it's given AD subtract BC, multiply by the adjoint, which is this. Okay, you put 1 over determinant times by adjoint. But if you want to just memorize the formula, it's okay. Okay, this is the inverse of matrix A, which is 2 by 2. I'll send this to you later again. And now we're gonna go for the 3 by 3 matrix. Why I insist to keep the formula? Because on 3 by 3 matrix, it's very hard. It require you to use the 2 by 2 the formula. Okay, we continue for 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix 3 by 3. Okay, so first thing first, I start to use the formula using the letter A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Again, I forgot to put the letter. Let's say this is matrix B. I use another matrix, another symbol. First, you need to find the determinant. Okay, it requires you a lot of working. So if I want to find the determinant, how do I do this? If 2 by 2 AD minus BC, that's simple. But in order to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, what you need to do is this, follow. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I am using the shoelace formula. What is shoelace? Tali sepatu. Okay. So I just rewrite the determinant, and then I need to put another extra two columns. Okay. This is the way they do. So if you ask me why it has to be added by two additional columns, honestly, I don't know. Okay. So this is A, B, G. You just copy paste the first column and the second column. I use the black color. You just copy paste the first column and the second column right after the third column. B, E, H. Then what to do? You are doing a shoelace. Shoelace means you are making the shoelace first. Okay, so the green color. So we have the total. You just multiply everything. So the determinant will equal to AEI, A times E times I, plus BFG plus CDH. Understand, guys? This is the first shoelace. And how to do the second shoelace? I use the red color. This, oh wait, sorry. This, this, and this. Okay, so I need to subtract with the red. CEG, or you just write GEC, up to you. Okay, GEC or CEG plus AFH plus BDI. Then you found the determinant. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, I will repeat to find the determinant. First, you cannot switch the order. First thing first, the green part is the priority. This is the first part, see? And then the red part is the second. So down right first, down left later. Okay, that's for the determinant. So we keep this first. We haven't done with the minor, cofactor, and transpose, the adjoint. Second, we are finding the minor. How do you find the minor? If you close this, actually, I will put some places here, big place, a big space. Why? Because it requires a lot of working. But I think I need to put aside for the determinant. Wait, yeah, guys, give me a moment. I put aside the determinant first later. So I put it here. After we find the determinant, we are finding the minor, the cofactor, and also the adjoint. Okay, I delete this. So first thing first, you are finding the second part. No, the second part, you are finding the minor. How do you find the minor? Again, you close element 1, column 1, right? Row, column. Actually, we have more than one number, right? If 2 times 2, we get only one number. But in this case, we have 4 numbers left, right? So what to do? So if I close this element 1, column 1, E, F, H, I. Write down first. E, F, H, I. Okay? Wait. And then, second, row 1, column 2. The rest is D, F, G, I. Right? So look at this, D, F, G, I. D, F, G, I. And row number 1, column 3, see, EDGH. EDGH. That's for the, we are done for the first row. And we continue on the second row. Second row, column 1. Second row, column 1. What is rest? BCHI. Write down BCHI. And then row 2, column 2, ACGI. ACGI. Row 2, column 3, ABGH. ABGH. And we're gonna go for the last row. Row 3, column 1, BCEF. Okay, then row 3, column 2, what is it? ACDF. ACDF. Last one, you close the I, ABDE. ABDE. Close. Oh, okay, we are done for minor. Now, how to do the cofactor? First thing first, the cofactor you can just put inside, right? Part 3 cofactor. Do the chessboard. For the first is always positive, and it go negative here. Positive, right? Negative, positive. It has to be alternating. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Then, what to do? Okay, I will put on the right side. You are finding the adjoint, right? But you don't transpose it yet. We try to solve it. So before we do the adjoint, we try to find the other, what is it? Determinant inside. So we have the determinant inside the determinant. Okay, the determinant inside the cofactor. Oh, okay, it's challenging. But again, we start to put on the sign first. Do it super detail and super neat. Okay, I put the sign first. Then I close the matrix. And then I put the separator. So it's already segmented, right? But again, you don't have to use that anyway. You're wasting time. So you need to find the determinant of EFHI. EI, down right first, subtract FH. Close. Bottom, BI minus CH. Bottom, BF minus CE. So it will be very painful to understand this, but if you go with the number, it will be very easy. Later, I'll prove it to you. Because this is only the letters, so we have to deal with so much variables. DIFG, DI subtract FG, right? And then AICG, AI minus CG. What else? AFCD, AF minus CD, DHEG. Okay, make it faster. And AHBG, subtract always, AEBD. Okay. And then what to do? You find the adjoint by do the transpose. Okay. You do the transpose, so you will get switch. Okay. Oh man. Oh boy, it's very complicated. EI minus FH going down by this. EI minus FG going down DH minus EG, right? You flip the row with become the column. See? And then next, BICH plus AICG, AHBG. Oh man, one more. Okay. don't, I'm losing my focus. CE, and then AFCD, AEBD. Okay, this is the adjoint. We are done of the adjoint of matrix. Then what else? Okay, we already get the determinant, we already get the adjoint. So we are doing the inverse. So we know that the formula of the inverse is 1 over determinant times by the adjoint. Wait guys, I need to copy paste one more time. So I pick all the important features on the matrix. We got the determinant, we got the adjoint, and what to do is try to put on the formula of the inverse of the matrix. 1 over determinant of B, you multiply by the adjoint of B, which is 1 over this. Oh, wait, what is, oh, forgot. Guys, here, 1 over this. Okay, and then you multiply by this. Sorry, I'm too lazy to rewrite the answer. This. And then we are done, guys. Okay. Okay, so this will be the formula of matrix. 3 by 3. But again, you never memorize this, right? You cannot memorize this, it's too much. I'll give you the question about this. But this is the idea. Okay. Let me give you one question. 3 by 3 matrix. Moment, please. Solve the inverse of this matrix. Okay, this is the real deal. What to do? First step, find the determinant of A, right? So you put extra 2 columns, right? So sorry, it will be, yeah, you have to add 2 more columns. Right? Add 2 more columns. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. Done? Down right first. 1 times 1 times 0. See, it's very simple. The determinant is 0 plus another 0, 0 times 6 times 3, right? So 1 times 1 times 0 is 0. Do you want me to do it slowly? If you want to do it slowly, okay. 1 times 0 plus 0, 0, 6, 3. And one more, 5, 2, 4, but I don't think we have to do it. Try to use your logic. 1 times 0 is 0, right? The first layer, first shoelace. Okay, moment, first shoelace, second, third. Okay, that's the way I usually do. Okay, focus guys, focus. Wake up for those who sleep. 0, 10 times 4, 40. Subtract with the opposite shoelace. 513, 461, 0 to 0. Okay. 513 is 15. 461 is 24. 202 and 0 to 0 is 0. So we get the determinant 40 subtract 39. Oh, it's nice. Best answer. 1. Okay, see, it's very, very simple. You don't have to use any formula. After you get the determinant, we still have some spaces. What to do? Minor, right? I do it on the right side. minor. So you keep the determinant by 1. Next, you find the minor of this matrix. Again, minor is you close this. Look at what I'm doing. Guys, focus here. I want to find the minor. I close this. 1640. Do I have to write it down? No need. 1 times 0 minus 6 times 4. Right? Or if you want to write down, you insist to write it down. No problem. 1640. And then the second, 2630. Third, 2134. Okay. And then second row, 0540. Second row, second column, 1530. This is not 15 and 30, yeah, be careful. This is 1530. And then row 2, column 3, 1034. Okay. And last row. See, it's not as hard as the formula, right? 0516. And then, oh, two more. 1526. Make it fast. Then last one, 1021. Okay. If I do something wrong, please let me know. Yes. After you get the minor, find the cofactor. But again, you need to find the determinant of each element, right? So before we find the cofactor, solve it first, right? Wait. Actually, you need to find the determinant on each of the element. It is very, very hard to do. Not very hard, very annoying, much working to do. So what I need to do is try to copy paste, and we try to solve one by one with the simple step. First, we need to find 9 of the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix right now. Okay, 1 times 0, 0 minus 24, right? 0 subtract 24. You get negative 24. 0 subtract 18, negative 18. Okay, and then 8 minus 3, 5. 0 minus 20, 20. Minus 20, I mean. 0 minus 15, negative 15. 4 minus 0, 4. That's it. What's it? Wrong. Minus 5, right? 0 minus 5. Negative 5. How about this? Minus 4. This is 6, right? Wait. I have to check it. 6. Oh, yeah, okay. So 6 minus 10, negative 4. Yes. How about this? 1 minus 0, 1. Don't forget to put the cofactor after this. Okay, after you get the minor, you are putting on the cofactor. Chessboard, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Right? And then the cofactor is, okay, plus with minus becomes negative. With minus becomes positive. Positive, no need to put the sign. Minus, minus, positive. Plus, minus, minus. Minus also, okay, minus. Plus, minus, minus. Just make it simple. Minus, minus, plus. Oh, no need to put the sign. And then plus 1, no need to put the sign. And to find the adjoint, okay, to find the adjoint, you need to transpose this cofactor. Okay, we're done. Adjoint of B, of A. You do the transpose, this cofactor, switch negative 24, 18, 5, 20, negative 15, negative 4, negative 5, 4, and 1. And then we are done. No, we are not done yet, but I will put it a bit on top. So we can, wait, what's wrong? Oh, okay, a moment, guys. Sorry. We already get the adjoint. See? So the formula of the inverse of matrix A is 1 over determinant of A, you multiply by the adjoint of A. So 1 over 1, right? So this is the determinant. You multiply by negative 24, 20, negative 5, 18, negative 15, 4, 5, negative 4, and 1. 1 over 1 is 1 itself. So, okay, we get the answer. Actually, this is the answer. Right? Done. So this will be the matrix. Okay, and then we're done. Okay, so one layer is enough. See, there you go. There you go. So step one, this is step one, and then this is step two. Okay, this is all for the inverse. Yes, this is the exercise for you. You might do it by yourself, and I will give you the answer later. So this is the answer. You might check it by yourself by using the rules that we already discussed. Thank you, guys. See you later.